Hi, I'm Hazel Sohn, and I want to invite you to my upcoming vacation workshop in Brittany and Mont Saint-Michel that will take place this September, the 1st to the 5th, 2024. We will be staying in the charming historic city of Saint-Malo on the coast of northern France, where we will paint and explore its beautiful beaches, fortified walls and medieval streets. And we're going to have a full-day excursion to the iconic Mont Saint-Michel, where we'll paint the famous island profile at high tide and then take a shuttle to the island itself so that we can walk the streets and tour the abbey. It's going to be a painting adventure and a lot of fun. For more information, visit www.studio56boutique.com and click on the pull-down menu called Travel Workshops. I hope to see you in Brittany.